Go to your Firebase project settings and scroll down. If you don't see a web app like this, don't worry. This video will show you how to create one. First, head over to your Firebase project overview. You'll see a button to add an app. Follow me. Here, you can give your web app a name. It can be anything you like. After clicking Continue, you'll be taken back to the project overview. Then go to Project Settings and check if your web app is available. If it's available, great! You can now use it with the JavaScript code from the last video.